Hello friends, I am Anjana. Welcome to my class. Students, in previous video, we have discussed about properties and uses of acids and bases. In this video, we will learn about indicators. Students, many acids and bases look similar. How does one differentiate between them? Remember, we should never taste and touch any unknown substance. Then, how do we find out if a substance is acidic or basic? There are some special substances which help us in identifying whether a substance is acidic or basic. These substances are called indicators. They change their color when added to an acidic or basic solution. Some common indicators are natural indicators, synthetic indicators, and universal indicators. Okay, let's learn about natural indicators. Student, there are some indicators present in nature. These are called natural indicators. Some common natural indicators are turmeric, litmus, and China rose. First is turmeric. Students, this is a natural indicator that is commonly used in the kitchen. It is yellow spice which adds color to the vegetable curry. Okay, for that we will do one activity. That activity shows how turmeric act as an indicator. For that, we will take turmeric powder, dishwashing powder, vinegar, water, a large bowl, and 2 small bowls, tissue paper, and cotton earbud. Okay? First of all, put some turmeric powder in the bowl. Add a little water to make a smooth paste. Smear the paste evenly over a tissue paper and let it dry completely. After that, take a small amount of dishwashing solution and vinegar in separate bowls. Use a cotton earbud to draw a flower on the dried yellow tissue paper once with vinegar and then with soap solution. What do you see? Student, the flower drawn with vinegar is not visible, whereas the one drawn with the soap solution turned red. How does this occur? Okay, so curcumin, an active ingredient of turmeric, acts as an indicator. It remains yellow in acidic medium. Acidic which one? Vinegar. Vinegar is acidic solution. Okay. And turn red in basic solution. Up here basic solution which one? Soap solution is basic solution. So now you know why the yellow curry stain on your uniform turns red when you apply a soap solution on it. Understand? Students, we know turmeric acts as a natural indicator, meaning it changes color when exposed to acidic or basic solution. Okay? For that, we will do one activity. Okay? You will take some solution like turmeric solution, lemon juice, baking soda and common salt. Okay? हम 3 बोल्स लेते हैं और तीनों में टर्मरिक सॉल्यूशन फिल कर देते हैं. ओके, एंड फर्स्ट बोल में हम लेमन जूस ऐड करते हैं. व्हेन लेमन जूस इज एडेड टू टर्मरिक सॉल्यूशन, the turmeric will not change color because the solution remains in the acidic range. अब सेकेंड बोल में बेकिंग सोडा सॉल्यूशन ऐड करते हैं. व्हेन बेकिंग सोडा सॉल्यूशन इज एडेड टू अ टर्मरिक सॉल्यूशन, द टर्मरिक color will change to red due to the basic nature of baking soda reacting with the curcumin in turmeric. Okay? अब हम थर्ड बोल में कॉमन सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन ऐड करते हैं और देखते हैं कि टर्मरिक सॉल्यूशन में कोई भी चेंज नहीं आता, उसका कलर चेंज नहीं होता. क्यों? क्योंकि सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन और सॉल्ट वाटर is a neutral solution. So, the turmeric will remain yellow. Now, you must have understood that when turmeric solution comes in contact with an acidic solution, its color does not change. Whereas, when it comes in contact with a basic solution, it changes from yellow to red. There is no color change with a neutral solution. Okay, let's learn about litmus. Student, litmus is another natural indicator which is most widely and commonly used in laboratories. It is a water soluble mixture of different dyes extracted from lichens. It is often absorbed onto filter paper to produce red and blue litmus paper. Blue litmus paper turns red under acidic conditions and red litmus paper turns blue under basic conditions. Neutral litmus paper is purple in color. Litmus can also be prepared as an aqueous solution. It is called litmus solution. Students, now we will do one activity. For that, we will collect sample of lemon juice, soap solution and sugar solution and dip red and blue litmus papers in it. Okay? When blue litmus paper is dipped in lemon juice, it turns red, indicating that lemon juice is acidic. Okay? And when red litmus paper is dipped in lemon juice, the litmus paper will remain red. Now we will take soap solution. When we dip a red litmus paper in the soap solution, it will change its color from red to blue. It shows that the solution is alkaline. Alkaline means basic in nature. Okay? And when we dip a blue litmus paper in the solution of soap, then it remains blue in color. Means color will not change. Now we will take another solution like sugar solution. When we dip a red and then blue litmus paper in the sugar solution. Student, a sugar solution has no effect on litmus paper. This is because sugar is a neutral substance and does not react with either acid or base indicators like litmus. Let's learn about China rose indicator. Student, China rose or hibiscus is a flower whose petals can be used as a natural indicator. Students, first we will observe the effect of China rose indicator on acidic and basic solution. Okay? For that we will make China rose indicator and we collect some China rose flowers, separate the petals from the flower and grind the petals into a fine paste. Add little warm water and keep the mixture for some time till it becomes a colored solution. This solution acts like an indicator. When a China rose indicator is mixed with a detergent solution, the indicator will likely turn green. This is because detergent is base and China rose act as a natural pH indicator that turns green in basic solution. Okay? When China rose indicator is mixed with vinegar, the color will change to magenta. This is because vinegar is acidic. Okay? And China rose indicator turns magenta or dark pink in the presence of acids. Now we will add the China rose indicator into sugar solution. Okay? When China rose indicator is mixed with sugar, the indicator color will not change due to the sugar itself, because sugar is a neutral substance and does not affect the indicators. Okay? Now you must have understand that China rose indicators turn the color of acidic solution to magenta and that of basic solution to green. Okay? Let's learn about synthetic indicators. Student, apart from the natural indicators, there are some synthetic indicators which are made by chemicals like phenolphthalein, methyl orange and thymol blue. These indicators show specific color change in acidic and basic solutions. Phenolphthalein is a common indicator because its color change is very obvious, which makes it easy to use. It is colorless in acidic solutions and turn pink in basic solutions. Next is methyl orange. Actually, methyl orange is yellow solid that is orange in color when dissolved in water. Okay? In acidic solution, it appears red, and in basic solutions, it appears yellow. Next is thymol blue. Students, thymol blue as a name blue, but it is not a blue. It is a yellow color indicator. Okay? In acidic condition, it turn red, and in basic conditions it changes from yellow to blue. Let's learn about universal indicators. Students, universal indicators are used to determine the strength of acids and bases. If there are two acidic solutions, universal indicator helps us to identify which one is more acidic. Similarly, alkalinity of solutions can be identified through these. So, universal indicator is a mixture of acid and basic indicators that show different colors over a range of pH value. Now, this video is finished. I hope you all understand. Thank you.